Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I am your host, Leo. And today, I have a very special guest. She is a great English teacher. Please welcome Anna.
Hello, Leo, and hello to all our listeners. I am so happy to be here.
Anna, I have a question for you. Do you ever feel stressed? Do you ever try to finish your work too fast?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I have too much work. I try to do everything at the same time. Then I make mistakes.
Exactly. I think we all have this problem. We want to be fast, but sometimes fast is bad. Today, we have a story about this problem. We will learn a special phrase to help you relax.
That sounds perfect. Let's listen to the story.
In this story, we have two friends, Mary and John. Mary is very busy. She is working on a big project. Let's listen to their conversation.
Hey, Mary, are you almost finished with the project?
Not yet, John. I still have a few things to do. I am in a hurry.
Whoa, Mary, you look very stressed. Easy does it.
But we only have until Friday. I want everything to be perfect.
I understand. But if you rush, you might make mistakes. Let's take it one step at a time.
You are right. I need to calm down.
Exactly. We will finish on time, and it will be great.
Thanks, John. I will slow down and check my work carefully.
That was a great conversation. But Anna, there were some interesting phrases. Can you explain them for us?
Of course, Leo. The first important phrase is easy does it. Can you say that? Easy does it.
What does easy does it mean?
It means to do something slowly. It means to be careful. We say it when someone is moving too fast or aggressively.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine you are carrying a very heavy box. If you run, you will drop it. So I say to you, Leo, easy does it.
I understand. It means be careful and go slow.
Exactly. What is the next word, Leo?
The next word is rushing. R-U-S-H-I-N-G.
Rushing means moving very quickly. It means doing something too fast because you don't have time. For example, she was rushing to catch the bus.
And rushing causes mistakes, right?
Yes, usually. And the last phrase John used was one step at a time.
I like this phrase. It means to focus on one part. Finish part 1, then do part 2. Don't try to do everything at once.
Imagine walking up the stairs. You go one step, then the next step. If you try to jump 5 steps, you will fall.
Okay, listeners, now it is time to practice speaking. I will ask you questions about the story. I want you to answer out loud. Don't be shy. Then Anna will give the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's start. Question 1. Did John ask Mary about her lunch? Answer now.
No, he didn't. He didn't ask about her lunch.
Question 2. What did John ask Mary about?
The project. He asked if she finished the project.
Was Mary relaxed and happy?
No, she wasn't. She was stressed.
Why was Mary stressed? Was she rushing?
Yes, she was. She was rushing to finish.
What phrase did John use to calm her down?
Easy does it. He said, easy does it.
Does John think rushing is a good idea?
No, he doesn't.
Why is rushing bad? What does rushing cause?
Mistakes. Rushing might cause mistakes.
Excellent job. If you answered these questions, your English is getting better. Now, let's make your pronunciation perfect. We will do shadowing. I will read a sentence from the story. Then you repeat after me. Try to copy my speed and my melody. Hey, Mary, are you almost finished with the project?
Not yet, John. I still have a few things to do.
It looks like you're in a hurry. Easy does it.
You are right. I just want to make sure everything is perfect.
I understand, but rushing might cause mistakes. Let's take it one step at a time.
Thanks, John. I'll slow down and check my work carefully.
Good plan. We'll get it done in time. Wow, you worked very hard today. How do you feel, Anna?
I feel great, Leo. The listeners did an amazing job. Remember, learning English is like the story. Easy does it.
That is true. Do not rush your English learning. Just take it one step at a time. Watch one video, learn one word, and you will be successful.
We believe in you. You are improving every day.
Do you want to speak English automatically? Do you want more stories like this?
We have a new course for you. It helps you speak with confidence. You can download the free lesson today. Look at the link in the description below.
And please support our channel. Click the like button, click subscribe, and turn on the bell.
Also, leave a comment below. Tell us, do you like to work fast or slowly?
We want to read your answers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.